Hi, Scott doing at MarineMax in Louisville, Texas, and we're going to take a look at the top surf boat on the planet, MasterCraft XSTAR S. All right, so checking out the inside of the boat, I absolutely love the interior color. It's dark enough that it's going to hide some of the dirt for you, but light enough that it doesn't get hot at all. In particular now because it's the Cool Touch fabric. So full sea deck flooring. This boat does have push button to raise and lower your tower once your battery switch is on. Clamping board racks, of course. Largest stereo available from the factory. So pair of tower cans, 2 subwoofers, speakers up in your windshield, speakers up in the bow, and LED lights absolutely everywhere. So really well appointed. This also does have the joystick installed, or the thruster installed. It doesn't work on a joystick. It actually works by twisting the top of your throttle knob. Very good storage on board. That storage is passed through all the way to the front. So this storage runs from here all the way through the passenger side helm area and all the way back to here. So really great storage on board. LED light rings in all of your speakers as well, and like all the other XSTAR S's, pickle fork front, so lots of extra storage and extra seating up in the bow of the boat. So also stereo remote control over here on the passenger side also, because the driver has enough stuff going on. That way we'll let the passengers control the stereo. So if you got any questions about this or any other boat you see online, pick up the phone and give us a call. We'd love to talk to you about them.